Although there are empty parking spaces, there are cars on both sides of the parking lot. Many people just can't get in. Today, I will teach you. First, we let the car drive forward parallel to the parking space line, and when we see that the left rearview mirror is aligned with the sideline of the target parking space, we step on the brake. Turn the steering wheel to the right and drive forward, while staring at the left rearview mirror. When you see the corner of the target parking space, step on the brake. Turn the steering wheel fully to the left and reverse the car. The car can enter the parking space without scratching the car next to it. Second, drive forward along the parking space line. When our shoulders are aligned with the middle point of the second parking space next to us, turn the steering wheel to the right and reverse the car. At this time, it can also be parked in the parking space without scratches.